It's also amazing today on the 21st of July 2023. We have Honkakatu 8 staircase B, but we also should get to the staircase A here.
And C and D.
And C, D, yes. A, C and D. So it's here in Jalkaranta in Lahti, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons or 25 rooms. Built by Kone with 8 fixtures. And 6 floors. I like the smell in here.
Same.
Built in 1975. Turning 50 years old in 2025. And the timber is H35504. And it will also be inspected in 2025. It will be inspected.
Yeah.
Let's get to us here. Oh. The light on the buttons.
Yeah.
And also for that time was a bit rare. But B is the light is okay.
Yeah.
So it has full memory then?
Inspektiert vaikka vaistat meidän vaikka Kone.
Has full memory then?
Yeah.
Strange.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. We get to sex AC under here.
That's